Greetings to everyone. The topic of our video today pertains to a groundbreaking discovery that could reshape farming as we know it. A biological tweak that supercharges plant roots to team up with soil microbes, slashing the need for fertilizers. Unveiled by the John Innes Center and spotlighted in Nature on January 15, 2025, this find promises greener fields, from legumes to wheat, thriving under real-world conditions. Picture this: crops sipping nutrients through natural partnerships, easing environmental strain while keeping yields high. It's a tale of science meeting sustainability, with calcium signals and flavonoids as the unsung heroes. Without further delay, let us delve into our discussion. What if a single revelation could transform how we nourish our crops? Scientists at the John Innes Center have unearthed a biological secret, a mechanism that flings wide the doors of plant roots, inviting in helpful soil microbes with open arms. This breakthrough lights a path toward farming that dances more gently with nature. Might it empower growers to lean less on fertilizers? Indeed, it could, sparing the earth from the scars of excess while sustaining bountiful harvests. Most staple crops, think wheat, corn, legumes, thirst for nitrate and phosphate fertilizers to thrive. Yet lavish use of these chemicals wounds the environment, polluting rivers, choking soils, and swelling greenhouse gases. Imagine, though, a world where plants strike up a sweet deal with microbes, trading sugars for nutrients, and slash our reliance on those inorganic crutches. Dr. Miriam Charpentier's team stumbled upon gold in the legume Medicago truncatula. A tweak in a gene, subtle yet mighty, rewires the plant's signaling, forging tighter bonds with nitrogen-fixing rhizobia and phosphorus-delivering arbuscular mycorrhiza fungi. This partnership, dubbed endosymbiosis, paints a vivid picture. Microbes nestle inside roots, bartering nutrients for plant-made sugars like traders at a bustling market. A stubborn hurdle looms large. These microbial alliances flourish best in lean, nutrient-starved soils, hardly the lush fields of modern agriculture. But here's the twist. This study, unveiled in Nature, proves the gene mutation turbocharges endosymbiosis, even under farming's rich conditions. How thrilling! The researchers wielded genetic wizardry to transplant this mutation into wheat, and behold, field trials bloomed with enhanced colonization by nitrogen-fixing bacteria and arbuscular mycorrhiza fungi. A long-cherished dream takes shape, harnessing these natural unions to replace fertilizer across cereals and legumes alike. Our findings wield immense promise for sustainable farming, Dr. Charpentier declared with a gleam of hope. Unexpectedly, exhilaratingly, this mutation thrives in real-world conditions, offering a bridge to robust crop yields with less fertilizer. She paused, then added, "It's a beacon too for calcium signaling research, guiding us toward greener production of vital crops." Earlier work from her lab revealed a cornerstone truth. Calcium pulses in root cell nuclei spark these microbial marriages. This study cracks that code wide open. Calcium oscillations, the rhythmic heartbeat of the plant, steer the crafting of flavonoids, compounds that roll out the red carpet for endosymbionts. Fundamental science shines as our compass for tackling grand challenges, Dr. Charpentier mused. Her words are quiet thunder. Root endosymbiosis doesn't just sip nutrients from the soil. It fortifies plants against stress, a boon as urgent as ever. Why the rush? The clamor grows louder to breed crops that defy disease, shrug off climate chaos, and gulp nutrients efficiently, all while easing fertilizer's burden. Costs shrink for farmers. The planet breathes easier. Marrying resilience with microbial teamwork stands as a dazzling piece of that puzzle. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.